Hi guys, today I want to make a Dutch baby pancake. First time I saw this recipe on clothing site and wanted to try it myself. In short, I enjoyed and strongly recommend. Subscribe if you haven't yet and let's start. For butter we need 1 egg, 1 spoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. 3 teaspoons of milk. By the way, it's good time to preheat oven while we are making butter. Beating all together well. Adding a big tablespoon of flour. And mixing all again. I want to prepare a really baby pancake, so this amount would fit for 1 person. Pour some oil and grease the pan with a brush. Originally, in recipe was written to melt a hunk of butter, but I prefer avoiding using a lot of butter in my recipes because I don't like fatty food. Now we need to warm up pan, so I will put it in the oven for a couple of minutes. And we can pour butter. Now let's put it back to the oven for about 10 minutes. And it is ready. Isn't it beautiful? What a splendid sight. The dough has such a delicate texture and color is amazing. As you can see, it has risen on one side. Now I want to make a lemon curd. For this I need some lemon zest. Cut in half. For my size of pancake, it's enough. Squeezing the juice of lemon into a saucepan. Remove seeds, we don't need them in this recipe. Adding a big tablespoon of sugar. Heating for some time. When it will be ready, we are leaving it to cool and beating 1 egg. After that, we can pour a 1 lemon juice. Whisking. One more time. Pouring mixture back to the pan. And adding lemon zest for better taste. Low heat until thick and creamy. After a few minutes, mixture will brighten. Curd is ready. Now we only need to add it to our pancake. Final touches. That is a good idea for topping. Dust with powdered sugar. By the way, interesting fact is that these pancakes have German origins. Dutch was a corruption of the German autonym Deutsch. And bon appetit. I can't wait, let's try. Cool, lemon taste fits well. So to sweet ratio is perfect. And subscribe to my channel, smash like button and leave a comment below. See you in the next videos.